everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on this look with the Morphe Boss Mood palette. Stay tuned. impressions of this palette, I have to say I like it. The colors are pigmented. It has a lot of fall, you know, wintry colors in it. You can get a lot of looks from this palette, and they have a nice array of mattes and shimmers. This purple here, when I first put it on, I thought it looked black. That's how dark this purple is. But now that I'm looking at it, I can actually see the purple. But when I was first putting it on, I was like, man, this is a deep purple. I was going in with this color here, and it was giving me just a little bit of kickback, but I think it's because I was putting my brush in and I was thinking I wasn't getting enough color, and maybe it was because it wasn't the color that I kind of expected. All the colors are really good. I really liked this. I really liked how the combination, when I blended this color here and this color here, how it, you know, came together. So, but as a first impression, I like this palette. Do I suggest you get it? Yes. And I can see myself doing a lot of looks with this palette. Now to talk about other first impressions, I used the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer on my face. I did like that primer, and I didn't use the scraper, you know, to put the product on and then put it on my face. I did it with my fingers, and it has this soft, really silky feel, and I couldn't really like feel it on my face, so I really like that. The brushes that I use, I still didn't get through all of those brushes. I still like the Jaclyn Hill Master Collection brushes, and I used the foundation brush again today. I did find another bristle come out of the brush, but it was just one this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. So I'll see you soon. Bye.